Hi guys, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and I wanted to show you how to use the new bookmark overlays. And currently I'm inside of Photoshop. So when you get your file, it'll be a PNG. I've already brought the PNG over into a 11 by 8.5 document in Photoshop. And so if you're just using this PNG that looks like this is what you'll see when you bring it over. So it has this space. A quick and simple way to use it is if you already have digital papers or graphics, specifically a digital paper, you can simply bring your paper over. Say for instance, I brought over this particular paper before I started recording, and I resized it, and then I can simply change the layer position to position it in the back of the as a second layer. And just like that, I've easily created some bookmarks. And if you want to add text, you would just add your text and being sure that you're staying within the lines of the bookmark, and then you would save your file in either a JPEG or whatever format you want to save your file in, and then you can send it to your printer from there. Okay, I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. See you next time. Bye-bye.